Viztrac maze machinery sewer camera. Just got it about 3 days ago. Had to use it quite a few times. Just want to get a video out there because I haven't seen one yet anywhere. It's got an on-off switch, SD card DVR, it's got the sound, the dimmers for the LEDs, the camera head. Flip it on, all these switches light up. It's pretty cool when it's dark. Hard to see the screen. It's got a message on there telling me to insert the SD card. Yeah, the push rod works really well. So far I've been really happy with it. Ridgid Navitrack Scout. I'll be making another video of the sewer camera going down this drain. But just wanted to make a quick video real quick, start off. Alright guys.